West Jefferson is a village in Madison County, Ohio, United States. The population was 4,222 at the 2010 census. Located along U.S. Route 40, the village has a fairly close relationship with the surrounding township, which include various out-of-corporation limit neighborhoods. The village has a commerce park at its western edge which include Target and Amazon distribution centers, a Crazy Glue factory, and Jefferson Industries. West Jefferson was originally called New Hampton, and under the latter name was Platt c. 1831. A post office called West Jefferson has been in operation since 1833. On May 24, 2021, a mass shooting occurred at an apartment complex in West Jefferson. 3 men and 1 woman were killed, with 3 of the victims being found inside the building and 1 outside. A motive has not been determined for the shooting, and no arrests were made. The killings marked West Jefferson's first homicide since April 2012. West Jefferson is located at 39 degrees 56 minutes 36 seconds north, 83 degrees 16 minutes 33 seconds west, 39.94333 degrees north, 83.27583 degrees west, 39.94333 minus 83.27583. According to the United States Census Bureau, the village has a total area of 4.87 square miles is water. As of the census of 2010, there were 4,222 people, 1,617 households, and 1,149 families residing in the village. The population density was 870.5 inhabitants per square mile. There were 1,709 housing units at an average density of 352.4 per square mile. The racial makeup of the village was 97.6% white, 0.5% African American, 0.3% Asian, 0.2% from other races, and 1.4% from 2 or more races. Hispanic or Latino of any race was 0.9% of the population. There were 1,617 households, of which 35.4% had children under the age of 18 living with them. 51.3% were married couples living together. 13.7% had a female householder with no husband present. 6.1% had a male householder with no wife present. And 28.9% were non-families. 25.7% of all households were made up of individuals. And 11.4% had someone living alone who was 65 years of age or older. The average household size was 2.55 and the average family size was 3.02. The median age in the village was 38.5 years. 25.5% of residents were under the age of 18. 7.9% were between the ages of 18 and 24. 25.4% were from 25 to 44. 25.6% were from 45 to 64. And 15.6% were 65 years of age or older. The gender makeup of the village was 48.9% male and 51.1% female. As of the census of 2000, there were 4,331 people, 1,631 households, and 1,180 families residing in the village. The population density was 1,306.0 people per square mile. There were 1,704 housing units at an average density of 513.8 per square mile. The racial makeup of the village was 99.01% white, 0.02% African American, 0.16% Native American, 0.14% Asian, 0.02% Pacific Islander, 0.09% from other races, and 0.55% from 2 or more races. Hispanic or Latino of any race was 0.58% of the population. There were 1,631 households, out of which 36.7% had children under the age of 18 living with them. 56.5% were married couples living together. 11.1% had a female householder with no husband present. And 27.6% were non-families. 22.6% of all households were made up of individuals. and 9.6% had someone living alone who was 65 years of age or older. The average household size was 2.60 and the average family size was 3.07. In the village, the population was spread out, with 27.4% under the age of 18, 7.9% from 18 to 24, 29.5% from 25 to 44, 21.9% from 45 to 64, and 13.4% who were 65 years of age or older. The median age was 35 years. For every 100 females there were 95.4 males. For every 100 females age 18 and over, there were 90.7 males. The median income for a household in the village was $41,949. And the median income for a family was $50,046. Males had a median income of $36,073 versus $26,734 for females. The per capita income for the village was $20,425. About 6.1% of families and 5.9% of the population were below the poverty line, including 7.6% of those under age 18 and 6.5% of those age 65 or over. West Jefferson is served by the Hurt Battelle Memorial Library. In 2005, the library loaned more than 81,000 items to its 9,500 cardholders. Total holdings are over 57,000 volumes with over 60 periodical subscriptions. The library also has a large collection of VHS tapes. Norwood Elementary is located in West Jefferson, Ohio, which is about 10 miles west of Columbus. Annual enrollment is just over 600 students. There are 37 certified teachers, 10 support staff, and 1 administrator at Norwood Elementary. The original Norwood Elementary opened in 1968 and was a K-5 building housing about 300 students. In 1996, the building changed to serve pre-K to second grades. A new facility opened in the fall of 2006 as the only pre-K grade 5 building in the district. The present building has 3 sections of pre-K and 4 sections each of grades K-5. The new facility provides for a separate cafetorium, gym, and large media center. Norwood Elementary itself does not participate in sports, but they